Why Meir Martin's Aetherography cannot be judged by ordinary rules. Imagine a journalist sitting to write about a new kind of art. The first question they ask is simple. Where does this artist belong? Does he follow Monet? Does he follow Salvador Dali? Or is this something that does not fit anywhere yet? Look at Dali. In many of his paintings, you see only a few elements. A clock melting into time. A dry desert. One creature on the horizon. 3 or 4 objects. One dream. Now look at Aetherography by Meir Martin. There is no quiet horizon. No empty sky. No silent land. Instead, the sky is full of wings. Hundreds of birds. Great egrets rising in white light. Herons stretching above the swamp. Spoonbills burning pink like dawn. Cormorants dark as storm clouds. Every inch alive. Why? Because this is how I see the world. Not as one bird standing still in beauty. One perfect bird printed on a canvas makes you say wow for a day or two. But a week later you pass by and do not look again. You already know it. It has nothing new to say. But in Aetherography, every time you look, you see something different. A wing you missed. A shadow under light. 2 birds clashing in the air. A moment of peace hidden inside the storm. The picture is still, but the mind keeps moving. And now ask this. Why must I follow the rules of a curator? Why must art fit into systems built by teachers and institutions? Rules are made for classrooms and students who follow instructors. I never liked school. I do not follow. I create. Since 1980, birds became my school. 40 years of watching them fly, fight, love, and survive. That love shaped my eyes. It shaped my soul. This is how Aetherography was born. Dali did not dream of melting clocks in one night. His vision took years to grow, just like that chaos of wings came to me through time, not through rules. When I see birds colliding in the sky, my spirit rises to heaven. That is why I create this way. And this feeling does not stay on the canvas. It lives inside the Martin Bird's home gallery. The walls are covered with wings. The ceiling is full of flight above your head. The floor reflects the sky like water. You are standing inside the storm. No silence. No empty space. Only motion, light, shadow, and life. This is not the calm of Monet, even if light touches the feathers. This is not the dream of Dali, even if reality is broken. This is chaos made with purpose. It is loud. It is full. It refuses to let your eyes rest. It asks you to stay, to look again, to feel more. So, can you judge this with ordinary rules? No. You cannot say there are too many birds. You cannot say it is too crowded. That is like telling Dali his clocks must stay straight. Or telling Monet his lilies must have sharp lines. Aetherography is a new language in art. It does not ask for permission. It asks for open eyes. It says art does not have to be quiet to be beautiful. It can be movement and chaos and spirit in one breath. This is what makes it different. This is what makes it real.